ECO.50-T, the ideal machine for tapping and cutting. Powerful motor of 1250 watts. Annular cutting up to 50 millimeter diameter. Twist drilling up to 23 millimeter diameter. Countersinking up to 55 millimeter diameter. Detachable Morse Taper 2 spindle with internal lubrication. High precision slide and rail construction results in faster and more accurate drilling. Mechanically adjustable 2-speed gearbox. Clear and easy controls. You won't miss the right button. Adjustable RPM and left and right rotation for better tapping. Excellent ergonomics. Extremely easy to handle. The ECO.50-T magnetic drilling machine.